This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Mac OS and free storage because performance issues often mimic camera faults. Once done, quit all apps that might use the camera and open Photo Booth to test the feed. This isolates hardware from software conflicts. Next, examine the lens closely and clean with a microfiber cloth. If oily, dampen it slightly with 0.5% isopropyl on the cloth. Make sure lighting is adequate. Sometimes poor light, not the camera, causes the low-quality image. You now move into software fixes that actually restore image quality. First, update Mac OS and apps like Zoom or Teams. Drivers and APIs improve with updates, so this step is crucial. Once updated, open System Preferences, go to Privacy and Security, and reset camera permissions for affected apps. Then relaunch those apps to grant access again. If the feed remains black or shows artifacts, restart the SMC and NVRAM because these control. You finish with targeted hardware verification and escalation. Run Apple diagnostics to capture camera-specific error codes. Write them down because they guide repairs. Inspect the hinge area and screen alignment. Pressure or bends can misalign the camera module and cause blur or distortion. If diagnostics show hardware faults or if cleaning and resets didn't help, back up your data and schedule Apple service or an authorized repair with the error codes. One troubleshooting tip: test an external USB webcam to confirm whether the built-in camera is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.